So I'm really excited about this tumbler that I just got. I live in Las Vegas where it's really hot, and I always have to have a glass, a beverage on me. And so let me just unbox this for you and show you how cool this is. This is the Tupkee. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Tupkee. I don't know. It's really nicely packaged. Durable packaging, so it should not break. Oh, this is so cool. Packed very, very nicely. It's a double-walled glass tumbler with the lid. Very cool. So you could do iced coffee in here. You could do, oh, you could even do hot coffee in here. Very cool. Exciting. Okay, check this out. It's really lightweight. You know, oh, cool. Okay, so let me show you this. This is super cool. Check this out. So this has a glass sip lid for a natural taste. So all glass tumbler lid, you know, it's an all glass tumbler lid, so it delivers there's no weird plastic or metal aftertaste with this. Oh, I'm so excited about this. And it's lead free and unlike plastic. And so you have peace of mind knowing that toxins aren't being leached into your beverages as you consume them. And it's leak proof, silicone seal. So, oh yeah, look at that, check that out. Look at that seal on there. It's high quality FDA food grade tested, Bpa-Free silicone seal to prevent any leaking while you're drinking from the tumbler. So really nice, and it seals on there really super nice. This is very high quality. I am super excited about this. Easy grip silicone sleeve to ensure non-slip grip, and it's got the silicone base on the bottom as well of the cup for protection. And all of the silicone is removable too, so you can remove all of this. It's double-walled glass for better insulation, and it's a weird glass name. It's called borosilicate glass. So that means it's handmade, mouth-blown. Borosilicate is a high-temperature, heat-resistant glass. It's lab-tested, capable to withstand thermal shock and shattering with temperature change. It's microwave and freezer safe, but it is hand wash only. So you have to wash this guy by hand only. But man, this is super high quality. I cannot believe how light this is. And it's glass. I'm just so impressed with this. What a really cool quality design. I am excited about this. This is so fantastic. Yay!